So today we will talk about old furniture. Yeah, as you see, it's part of office armchair. Yeah, and when I get it from the back side, I decided to put it inside my new decorated flat. My wife said, "Oh, it's too old. It looks ugly. I don't like it. Buy a new one." I don't know why should I buy a new one if I can restore the old. That's why I start to look inside specific forms, and on the several I found the way with using of polyroll or specific pollution to cover the plastic parts of the car. It's not so cheap because the polyroll and the specific pollution is not too cheap. That's why I think maybe I will simply paint it with usage of paint. That's why I take gloves. It's silicone gloves. And as you see, I bought paint. It's universal mel from the nude firm. Yeah, and now we will try to paint our plastic part. I don't think it's make it looks worse, but if it didn't help, I will bought polyroll and we will see what we got after that. So let's start painting. So as you see, we already finished painting. Yeah, you see the last part, and the same parts as I was painting. Yeah, looks really better. Well, I don't see any visual artifacts that show that these parts of armchair were used. So let's wait until it will be already dry, and after it we will see how it looks like and make decision about what should we do next. So yesterday we restore the plastic parts of the office armchair, yeah? And now, as you see, it's look even better than from the factory, yeah? So this is the end of this part of video, and next video will be about how to take it all together.